Hailuo AI just dropped, and it's challenging mid-journey. We tested it with advanced prompts to show you exactly what it can create. Hailuo AI is a cutting-edge text per-regions generator built by Chinese researchers, competing directly with industry leaders. It specializes in photorealistic renders, cinematic compositions, and intricate details. Unlike some alternatives, Hailuo emphasizes speed and creative flexibility. It's accessible, affordable, and gaining rapid traction among digital artists worldwide. We tested Hailuo's prompt understanding, detail rendering, and style consistency. The results? Stunning photorealism, excellent lighting control, and impressive handling of complex scenes. Users report faster generation times compared to competitors. The interface is intuitive. Master Hailuo with specific visual descriptors, lighting keywords, and artistic references. Try prompts like cinematic lighting, hyper-detailed, and professional photography. Layer multiple descriptors for control. Avoid vague terms. Test iteratively. The platform rewards detailed context, camera angles, and mood descriptions for gallery-worthy results every time. Hailuo democratizes premium art creation without premium pricing. It's ideal for concept design, portfolio pieces, and commercial work. The ethical commitment to responsible AI appeals to conscious creators. Whether you're exploring AI art or integrating it professionally, Hailuo offers serious creative potential and competitive advantages. Drop a like and subscribe for more AI art breakthroughs. Comment which feature excites you most. Read your creative potential and